Do you want to make a lot of money by selling video intros and outros? If so, stay with me. It's coming right up in my review of SocioTuber. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, seriously, I'm done with you. You never look at the reviews. He never looks. I don't understand the guy. Anyhow, the way it works is basically what I do is, if I like the product, I'm going to give it to my hands to the product creator. If I don't like it, well, better luck next time. I also do a lot of videos on how to make some extra money on the side, as well as a lot of videos on entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz Lemon, thank you. You are such a sweetheart. She says the same thing every time, but it's always so nice of her to say it, isn't it? Liz Lemon, everybody. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much if you're new to YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this area for SocioTuber. And I have to say, I'm miffed at the people who created SocioTuber. The package basically gives you everything you could possibly need in order to be directly with me. And all you need is a copy of PowerPoint, which pretty much everybody's got, as opposed to the really expensive software that I invested in personally when I started in this business back in October.
Did you really spend all that money?
Sad to say, yeah, I really did spend a whole lot of money. I spent probably a couple $1,000s. I mean, it's been worth it for me. I've made a lot of money doing it, but when they hand you this for $22, it's like, geez, give a guy a break. Now, I want to show you something. So this actually is from a website that I sell videos on. It's a screenshot showing just some of my recent sales. I literally take about 30 seconds to make this money. And with SocioTuber, you can pretty much do the exact same thing. You don't need any special software. You just use this stuff. Now check out what's here, because you're literally getting a complete package for creating video assets. And currently the price is just $22. It does go up every time somebody buys, so you do need to get in soon though. So let's take a quick look at this over here. So you got YouTube opener templates, okay, logo reveals. This I sell these. That's exactly what I sell. Okay, motion title, video style, okay, lower thirds templates. These are great. By the way, my bonus, you're going to be getting 2 months. First of all, I'm going to show you the website that I just showed you a screenshot of. I'm going to show you which website that is, along with 3 other websites that you can actually sell your videos on. Most of these you probably haven't heard of. They're kind of underground websites, but you can make a ton of money, and it's nice because there's not a whole lot of competition on most of these websites. One of them there is. The other 3, there is not a whole lot of competition, so you can make a ton of money. Okay, and in my bonus, I'm also going to be giving away over 200 video clips that you can actually use to create your own videos. And basically, you can use a lower thirds template to go and superimpose text onto those clips and use them to sell videos to customers. It's really, really cool. You also get end screens. I sell end screens also. I sell them $25 a piece, and they for $22 you're getting access to everything. It's ridiculous. Transitions, side info video. I'm not sure what side info videos are. I didn't download every single one of these things. I downloaded a few of them. I am going to show you in a little bit one of their videos, so you can see what it actually looks like. I'm going to show you one of their logo reveal templates. Okay, branding cover templates, YouTube thumbnails. I sell thumbnail templates. Okay, and they're just giving it to you. It's insane to me that they've got all this stuff and they're giving it to you for next to nothing. It's ridiculous. And check this out, the bonuses. Okay, music audio library. I sell music. I sell music. I sell it. Okay, and 300 logo templates. I sell logos. You know, I sell logos for $200 a pop, and they're just giving it to you for $22. It's the most insane package I've ever seen. So I want to show you just how easy these things are to use. This is just one of their logo reveal templates. I'm going to play it back for you real quick so you can see it. Okay. So it's super easy to do this. Basically, all you're going to do is select the logo over here, replace it with your client's logo, or if you're selling them a logo, you can also just put in a logo that you create for them. Again, you get templates with this package, and then you're going to type in the channel name and the tagline, and then you're done. It's like what 10 seconds of work, and then you're basically going to click File and Save as Movie. And that's pretty much all you do. It's like the most ridiculously easy thing that you could possibly imagine to do, and like I said, I make money from this constantly. It's super super simple to do, and you know it's one of the easiest ways I've ever found to make money online. Quick, the um, upgrades that you can actually purchase. There's only two of them. They're not very expensive. Okay, and basically what you can do is like this. Check this out. So there's more of the same kind of templates over here. 55 lower third templates. That's a lot actually. Okay, you got all this stuff over here, and and it's $37. That's nothing. I mean, that's literally nothing. Okay, and you get so much stuff there.
That's a lot.
Yes, it really is quite a lot. Anyhow, the second bundle is also well worth the money because you're going to be able to do stuff for Facebook and Instagram. And you can sell this stuff, by the way. You get commercial licenses with all this stuff. So you can actually sell them to your customers. You don't have to just do it only for yourself. You can actually get licenses to all these things. It's just absolutely insane. And if you do pick up both of the upgrades through my link, I'm actually going to give you direct access to this thing to my cell phone. Okay, you're going to have a month to speak with me. A lot of people have already taken me up on this, and I've helped a lot of people. It feels really good to me to help a lot of people, and I really want to be able to help you out. I want to be able to do things for you and really help you to succeed online. And I'm basically handing it to you on a silver platter because it's like, seriously, I charge $97 a month for the service, and you're going to spend about the same thing and get a ridiculous amount of stuff here. It's absolutely insane what you're getting here. So let's see if I'm going to tip my hat to the product creator or not. Yes, I definitely am. Kind of pissed at them for basically stealing my business, but I figured there's enough to go around. And so, guess my highest recommendation, go ahead and grab it. You're absolutely going to love it. And let me know what you think down below. I'd love to hear from you. And let's keep the conversation going.
Bueller. 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 Bueller.
Dude, seriously, he's not coming. His chair is empty. Don't you get it? He's not coming. But I hope that you will come. I hope you're actually going to comment down below. If for no other reason, then you want to hear from yours truly. Come on, you know you do. Go ahead, comment down below. I'll see you on the next video.